What's up, guys? I'm with Bestlacewigs today. Bestlacewigs, professional hair manufacturer. It says 100% human hair with affordable prices. So obviously you see all these headbands. Yes, it's a headband that we're working with today again. And I got like 5 headbands today, all sparkly styles. These are really nice. And then I got the wig, I got a wig cap, a pamphlet, you know, this has their social media, you know, hair care tips, all that good stuff. They also have a cashback card in here. I guess it's telling you how you can be featured and stuff. So yeah, that's all the stuff that's in the box. The code for this wig is HB012. It's a headband wig as mentioned before. It's 18 inches long, 150% in density, and it's a ombre color body wig. So I'm super happy for that I got some body wave. It's been a long time since I've gotten some body wave here, so that's a good little switch up for me. It's either being super curly or just like super straight. Ooh, I love this. As you guys know, this is like the trending color right now. If you did not know, now you know. Alright, so it looks really good, feels really soft, you know, it's really nice, comes with those waves. And then the cap construction, it has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and this one doesn't have any adjustable straps actually. So I guess you can just adjust the band, like you can, when you're going ahead to put it on, you can go to tighten it. The further you go up, the more it gets tighter. The farther you go back to the end, as you can see, the looser it gets. So I'm gonna put it to about right here, and then I'm pretty much just going to slip this on. I feel like I'm gonna go in and like actually do some wand curls. They really are so versatile with these headband wigs. Like you get every single style, every single texture, every single style, every single texture, any color. You can get it in a headband wig, you know. So like the only thing that is different is that the front is being concealed with a headband, and you can make it look so real by just allowing your edges to peek out in the front. Like I've done like so many headband wigs at this point in time. Like I know I have quite a lot of headband wigs, and as I said, that's because also that there is a shortage in the whole hair industry with lace currently. So they've become creative, and they're trying to make things even more convenient and just doing new inventions to a point, because honestly a headband wig is also like a half wig, to be honest.
In New Orleans, watch I look. I'm jugging, dissect your hand if your hand am I put 2 in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poopy, your biscuit tookin'. I'm not the type to go with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh, young and trapping out the bando, from the ceiling fan to the damn floor, trying to stack my money up, cause that's the only way we can go. Tell my mama that I'm okay, see the money coming through the doorway. Got a bad bitch with a lot of money, that's foreplay. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
clips are so convenient. I've collected a ton of these clips from hair packages, and I now have a whole collection, and I'm so happy because these clips are way more effective than like the other. These are the ones I used to get first, but these ones, they have like the little zigzag edges. It's way more effective. So I use them for stuff like this, like when I have one curl in my hair, it makes it so easy. It holds that curl and so it can set and all of that. But anyways, I'm gonna remove it now. I just didn't want them to fall like too quickly. So, ooh, you see how pretty that curl is. Oh, that's so pretty. Guys, sorry for the background noises. I don't know if you just, I don't know if you're hearing a scream or a moan. That's my little sister. She's waxing herself, but me not telling you no further. You can go watch her video on her channel. Ooh, this is so pretty. Hey. So I feel like I'm just gonna use my fingers and like, I don't fully want. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. So alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and try on these headbands for you guys.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get.
That's it for the try-on headband section. I had these other two left, but they're all the same style. So I said, let me just put on 3 for you guys. I didn't actually try on these two because I actually tried on this one before. I got this one before now in another package, in another video, like the same design and everything. And it's the same thing, it's just different colors. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys variety. You guys know I always try my best to just try on the headbands, so you can see how they look, because I'm not gonna let them come out from the headband design them like they're really trying, and they look really good and I love them, you know. I'm keeping this one on. I'm so grateful for you guys' suggestion. Don't be afraid to drop them down below in the comment section. Your girl listens, okay? I'm going to put all the specifications, all the necessary information that you need to know on this wig down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested, like, the quality feels really good, as I said before. It's not, the luster is not like, what would you say, it's super natural looking. It's not like really shiny. The only thing I wish is like that it would be a little bit like, what would you say, a little silkier, you know. That's the only thing really, but it feels pretty full. So I really do like the density. I love the customization. It looks good. I just wanted to be extra to put in more curls because I wanted this wavy like definition to be more pronounced. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching while we up on a nice clean self, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, so until then, bye.
Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings, cause shorty